have 3 enemies and 2 bad lords. Each one strives night and day to kill me. The enemies are my eyes and my heart, which make me want her who wouldn't be fitting for me. And one Lord is love, who in his dominion holds my pure heart and my pure thought. The other is you, lady, in whom I set my mind, to whom I don't dare show my heart or say how you kill me with envy and desire. What will I do then, lady, since here nor there I cannot find anything without you that would be good to me? What will I do, for whom all other joys would be terror if I didn't have them from you? What will I do, whom your love guides and leads and flees me and follows me and seizes me? What will I do, who expects no other joy? What will I do, and how could I survive if you, lady, don't want to keep me? How will I endure, who cannot die, and my life is nothing but misery to me? How will I endure, whom you make languish, desperate with a little bit of hope? How will I endure, who will never have happiness again if it doesn't come to me from you? How will I endure, who am jealous of every man who goes towards you or comes from you, and of all those about whom I hear good spoken? How will I live, who heave such heartfelt sighs, night and day that rise from heavy thought? How will I live, for whom no other woman can do or say anything that would hold me in honor? How will I live, who carries no memory but of your body and the pleasing features and the courteous words, humble and loving? How will I live, who asked nothing else of God for myself, but that he let me find mercy with you? What will I say, lady, if pure mercy doesn't sustain me? At least so much that I conquer with my pure heart and with my loyal faith your high rank and your great worth. What will I say if you don't grant me respite? What will I say, who can see no other woman who could, in matters of love, please my heart? What will I say, for there is no other woman in the world who could give me joy for any good she might do me? To the worthy Countess of Provence, for her deeds are of honor and of wisdom, and her words courteous, and her expression pleasing, go my song, for she from whom I am commanded me to send it to her.